Hi there guys, so today we've got an exciting one. It is the 24th of January 2024, which means that it is the release day of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. So what I've got here is an unboxing today of a Samsung exclusive, so let's get right into it. This is the exclusive Jade Green colour, which I thought would be interesting. So that's for my return from my other Samsung, that's fine. So here we have the box, which is the three sort of Samsung exclusive colours. So if you get an exclusive colour from Samsung, you will get the different exclusive colours on the box of the handset, which is something a bit different. So as mentioned, this is the Jade Green colour and it is 256GB of storage. Now let's undo the seals and take a look. Here we are, that's that lovely exclusive Samsung colour, the Jade Green. This is just the regular size S24, not the Plus, not the Ultra, just the regular handset, which is a really good size. Like, first impressions, fits in your hand well, could reach all corners pretty easily. I'm used to having big phones, so it's nice to have something a bit different. I am actually really liking this colour a lot more than I thought. I wouldn't particularly choose this colour for myself. I just thought it'd be interesting to see because it's an exclusive colour. But it is actually really nice and it's quite light. Like, I didn't realise how light this phone would be, but it feels very light. So let's just take a look and see what else is in the box. So in here, it's going to be the same. You won't get a brick, but you'll get the USB-C to USB-C. So we've got a SIM ejector tool, we've got some start guides, and then within here we just have the USB-C to USB-C cable. So that's everything that you get inside the box. That is literally it. So now I've got the box contents out of the way, let's have a further look at the device. So it's a 6.2 inch screen. Let's just undo that screen protector. That didn't go very well. There we are. So yeah, this phone has got a 6.2 inch screen, 4000 mAh battery. It's got Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the back with an aluminium frame, unlike the Ultra, which this year does have the new titanium frame. Right, enough of that. Let's just power on and have a look at this phone. It does feel quite iPhone-esque. I mean, I've always used iPhones, but sort of feeling it in the hand, it does feel like an iPhone. And I know that's strange to say, but... So down the bottom, we've got the USB-C, we've got the nano SIM slot, and I'm guessing that's a speaker. And then right-hand side, we've got the lock button with the volume rocker here. On the top, there's just some microphone pins, nothing special. And there's absolutely nothing down the left-hand side. Yeah, so on the back we've got a 50 megapixel main camera, and then we've got some others like a 3x optical. And I think that's an ultra wide as well on the back there. So let's go through a bit of setup. We've got English, UK. So it says I just need a restart. Let's give that a go. Really do like this green colour. So I'm going to set up eSIM later. We'll do that a different time. So I'm going to do don't copy. It's got a nice bright screen as well. That's something I've noticed. So I'm just getting a few bits ready now. Google services, all the rest of it. You just follow the screen obviously to go through. Choose Google as my search engine. How do I want to protect? I want to do fingerprint. I think fingerprint's a good idea. There we go, that's my fingerprint added. I'm just agreeing to everything at this point. So I'm just going to agree. I prefer dark mode, so that's what I'm going to do. Saves battery too as well, I guess, with the OLED screen. And then we're all set up. So we're going to finish and have a look around the phone. So again, really nice and easy to hold in the hand. Nice and snappy. Let's have a look at the camera. So we've got the 0.6 wide, normal regular camera. Then we've got the 3 times optical, which looks pretty decent. So that's going to be everything for this quick unboxing. I just wanted to get the phone out of the box and do the quick setup with you. Yeah, so the Jade Green Samsung Galaxy S24. This is the unboxing for it. And if you want to see more content on the handset, well, there might be a few more videos coming. So make sure you're subscribed and keep tuned. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.